Hello, my name is Andrew Stoke, and this is for week 7 assignment for FTT 122, Introduction to Ballistics. Today we're going to be taking apart a dummy round and then giving some measurements on it using scale and a micrometer and things like that. All right, we'll get to it. All right, so we got our 30-30 round here. We're gonna do a trace around it just so that we can break this guy down and get all of our measurements. Alright, so we got our hammer out here. We're going to get out, I believe, the biggest collet for this 30-30. You'll recognize that this does not have a primer in it, so it's not a live round. And then as we take this guy apart, you also see that there's no powder in it. Get this together. Just kind of tighten it down and then loosen her up. Place that round in there. Tighten it down. We got a hard surface here. Pulled out a piece of steel that we're probably going to use for shooting, but got that out so we have something to smack on. Okay, well, the round actually came out, but the bullet is in there, so I guess I didn't have it tightened down quite a bit. Take that to call it off. Usually, if it has powder and stuff in it, you definitely want to use this so there's no chance of igniting and you can let it out there. So we have our 30 caliber round here. We'll weigh that and get some measurements. All right, so we got our scale here. So we will take our round, measure that. This looks like that is a 150 grain round. And we'll move on to taking some measurements. All right, so now we'll get some dimensions of our round. I'm going to use this micrometer tool here to get some of those measurements. Length, we're looking at 84. Chop that down here. Zero. .30. 30-30, it would be a 30 caliber round. We'll measure out the case as well. still. With all of our measurements in there, and we weighed that round out at 150 grams. We have all of that there together. I think that basically covers everything on breaking down how they were. We explain the differences in our dummy cartridge, that it doesn't have that primer or any grain for the propellant. Got all of our measurements, showed how to measure and weigh those, and also how to disassemble that round. But yeah, hope this finds you well. Thank you.